Just another quick video about brakes. Had a bit of brake squeal on the rear pads, which has been a bit of a pain of late. So I've pulled the pads out and had a quick look, and I think what you can see is glazing. So you see the top band is quite rough, and then you've got a bottom, the majority of the pad is quite shiny. You see the reflections coming through. Now I think this is caused by having a pad pin that's a little bit sticky, and the pads haven't been able to pull back from the disc enough. Heat's been generated over a long time, and the pads are then glazed over. So what I'm going to do quickly is just give them a quick roughen up before I put them back in. I do that with a bit of emery paper on a flat board, and put that in and figure it out straight. Still a little there, but not too much. I'll just do that again. And there you can see I haven't taken too much off, but the glaze has gone. So when I put that back in, I'm hopeful the squeal will be gone too. So what I used there was a P400, just in case anybody wants to know what sort of roughness. And it really is just a light sand. We're not taking a lot of pad material off. The idea is just to take enough off to get rid of that glaze. There's no point in wasting brake pads. Now where I talked about the pin, this is the pin. And the pin actually looks a little bit corroded. So I think that's what's causing the pads to stick and not slide very well. So I'll give that a little bit of a clean up as well. I think that will help with the pads longevity as well.